Greetings. Today we're going to guide you on how to train the Threado AI bot using Freshdesk articles and tickets. This training process significantly streamlines the task for agents to find answers from previously closed tickets and respond to customers efficiently. The bot is designed to swiftly locate historical data from closed tickets and provide the appropriate response. To get started, navigate to the training section and select Freshdesk under the Support in CRM category. This will display a list of items that you can train Freshdesk on, including help articles. Upon clicking on Train, the bot will import all the published support articles. The duration of this process will vary depending on the number of articles. When it comes to training on tickets, there are filters that allow you to select the time period of the tickets you want to train the bot on. The time range could be 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and so forth. You also have the option to train the bot based on the status of the tickets, such as resolved or closed tickets. You can select the groups that you have established on Freshdesk for training. You can also choose to train the bot only on the closed conversations by specific agents, such as senior agents, for instance. Furthermore, if you have canned responses stored on Freshdesk, you can train the bot on these as well. This feature makes it incredibly easy for the bot to understand the context of thousands of tickets that have been closed in the past by your agents. It eliminates the need for extensive documentation and allows the bot to respond to customers instantly based on historical tickets. We encourage you to test it out and share your feedback with us. Thank you.